Hello, how's you traders? Welcome to Binary Trading Course channel. Let's start today's trading with candlestick psychology. So you can see here that okay now okay buyers are coming. Okay, you can see here the scenario is after here the buyers only come. So let's wait how this candle behave. If your sellers come, then we will go with sellers. Okay, buyers are coming. Okay, no problem. Sellers come, but the sellers are weak. That's why I'd gone with buyers from here, because you are seeing that this is the buyers area, and from buyers area weak sellers candle come. So I think the buyers will come here. So if you need Wellam Traders courses in so much low price, in 10 times lower price than real price, then message me on Telegram. My Telegram link is in description. And for proof and sample of videos, join my Telegram channel. The link of the channel is also in description. I will give you courses in 10 times lower price than real price. Okay, here the seller side only come, no problem. Because of this whole number I think the market will reverse, but no problem. If it don't reverse, then we will okay go with sellers only from here. Why? Okay, we had lost here, no problem. Let's see how this candle behave. Because of this strong sellers, I had gone with sellers from here. Okay, sellers had come. Let's see. Okay, sellers come. Okay, no problem. Okay, the market is rejecting. Okay, 33, 33, 32. Okay, good. Okay, I had gone with sellers from here because of, you can see the buyers gone till here, and then it rejected and made a seller's candle. It means the seller's pressure is strong here. That's why I had gone with sellers. Let's see. Let's see how this candle behave. According to me, this candle have to close as a seller's candle. Okay, sellers are coming. Okay, I am thinking, let's see there is level or not. Okay, there is no level, no problem. Okay, I had gone with sellers only, because you can see after these sellers, the sellers come and made a new low here. So I think the sellers momentum will continue in this candle also. Let's see. Because of this sellers momentum, I had gone with sellers from here, and you can see the sellers made a new low here. Let's see how this candle behave. Okay, buyers are coming, no problem. If buyers come, then we will go with buyers because of this strong buyers candle. Because of this engulfing pattern, I will go with buyers from here. Okay, because of this engulfing pattern and buyers had made a new high, that's why I'd gone with buyers from here. Let's see how behave. Okay, buyers had come. Okay, because of this whole number the candle reverse. But in this situation I suggest you to go with sellers only, because the momentum is of sellers. That's why I had gone with sellers only. So the possibility of a means red candle is more compared to green, that's why. But no problem, the market is bad today. um, in means in morning time also market is bad, so I had means trade now, but it also bad now only. Okay, this candle is so strong, so I think we have to change the pair, because the okay, no problem, let's change the pair. Okay, go sum up, so I can place here down option. I will place here down option because okay, no problem. Okay, good entry point. I had gone with sellers because you can see there are two sellers candle, and this candle made a new low, and there is a sellers pressure in this candle. That's why I had gone with sellers. So, and the whole number is also far. You can see the whole number is here, and the candle started from here, so I think it will continue till the whole number. Let's see. Okay, candle breakout of a whole number, no problem. Okay, go sum up. Okay, okay, a good entry point. I had gone with sellers only because I don't want to go against the trend and momentum. You can see the three candles. The three candles is only of sellers candle only. So I think if this candle made a bullish also, then it will make a means weak bullish candle, not a strong bullish candle, and close below my entry point according to me. That's why I've gone with sellers from here. Let's see how this candle behave. Let's see. No problem. Okay, okay, you can see sellers and buyers both are coming. Okay, I had placed here trade with some margin of safety, so I can win here. Okay, okay, you can see. Okay, so no problem. Okay, I will go with sellers only because of this weak bullish candle. After the breakout, this weak bullish candle come. That's why I'd gone with sellers only because of this weak bullish candle. So I think because of this weak bullish candle, sellers only come, and if it sellers not come, then it will close as a weak bullish candle only. So let's see. I had placed a trade with some margin of safety. You can see I had placed a trade with some margin of safety. Let's see what happened here. Okay, 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 sellers buyers both are means in control. Let's see. Okay, 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, a winning trade. That's why place your trade with some margin of safety. This is the means like this, if you trade with margin of safety, you will win because of this seller's pressure. This candle close as a weak bullish candle. After this means doji, means this is not a doji, but we can consider it as a reversal sign. Sometime in level means at a whole number, this candle reverse the market also. But according to my analysis, due to this seller's pressure, this candle will close as a weak bullish candle or a seller's candle. That's why I placed a trade with some margin of safety. So no problem. So okay, so I am closing your session, and I want to just tell you one thing, that if you means need courses of well-known traders in so much low price, then contact me. And I will give you means courses in 10 times lower price than real price. So thank you, and have a successful trading. My personal telegram link and my telegram channel link from proof and sample of videos, you can join my telegram channel. Link is also in description, and for means buying the course, you can contact me. My telegram link is also in description. So thank you and have a successful trading.